entire Wingstop menu. We got all of their fries, tenders, wings, bites, burger, coleslaw, the whole lot. They've given me gloves, so I guess we'll wear the gloves. Oh yeah. We have to start with the lemon pepper because that's the classic. It's a bit too lemony. But it's good. The lemon pepper, 3 out of 10. That wasn't so good. Buffalo Ranch fries. I got the Atomic Hot, which is their spiciest flavor, and I'm not good with spicy, so dip it in some blue cheese. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a bit spicy. I mean, they're supposed to be spicy, so because of that, I'll give them a 7 out of 10, because they're good if you like spicy food. Is it hot in here? Are you sweating?
Nah, it's not hot.
Okay. I don't actually like sweet potato fries, but I'll try them anyway. I think this is honey mustard. 4 out of 10, but that's just because I don't like sweet potato. Louisiana rub. Hit it in the ranch. They wouldn't even give you gloves if these were supposed to be Get you guys a close up. The barbecue wing tastes like an average Domino's barbecue wing. Wow.
Out of 10.
I expected it to be a bit more, juicy and kind of like overcoming. These are definitely special. The garlic parmesan. I can taste a bit of parmesan and a bit of garlic, but they're practically plain. They're special, I don't know, limited time burger kind of thing. I got this in spicy Korean. Ranch or blue cheese?
Ooh, about both.
At the same time?
Maybe.
There's a reason you're not in front of the camera. That's the winner. 8.5 out of 10.
Ooh.
Try. That's good. Gives it more juicy.
Juicy.
This is good.
I'm gonna eat another one just for the video.
I feel like I need to have a shower. You know when you eat spicy food and it just makes you feel unclean? I mean, would I ever go back? No. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.